Wait, did I already? Yeah, I did. All right, let's see. Go to here and we can take there.
Can I ping? Yes.
Yeah, you can ping. We are live. We are officially live.
Look at the ping, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the ping. Just let me quickly check that everything works. It's gonna... not that. Like so. And yeah, it seems to work good. What did you ping? You said image made by an adult and two children. Yeah, the most embarrassing part, the adult who made the most embarrassing part.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. I think it's still loading here. Oh my god, it's freezing. I really would like to just move, but the thing ain't moving. Okay, I guess we can do without...
We need to move it.
Yeah, we need to move. All right, fuck it. We don't need Miro. We can do without. Am I right? Who's with me? I pushed yesterday. Yeah, I did. Okay. So this will be its server, and this will be the client. And yeah. What do we want to do today? I didn't think this through, really, did I? You got the... wait. No, I prefer the other way around. This is the client, this is the server, yeah. So we got the net in here so we can get the information about, and now we could also hot reload the thing, which is strange. I don't think we should have to do the way it's actually being done right now. So I think I will just... yeah, we'll just do... because that should be enough for it to work. And we actually do this. Paste it. Go here. Do that. And we'll do this. Then we'll change this to self dot. Why is it not suggesting anything? Self dot accept client future cancel. That should be enough. I shouldn't have to do all of that. I shouldn't get to this case if I don't have it. Oh my god. That should definitely be it. What the hell? Dot. Oh. Hello, Dune Wortel. And then we should be able to just do Zig build run. And if I go and do a hot reload, for example, changing this to a 3 or an E, it actually crashes. Hold on, result, return, server 74. So it does crash here because somehow the pre-reload. That's so weird. How can it not exist? This is impossible. It shouldn't be able to get to pre-reload if it doesn't even have a pointer there. Preload happens here, and the init happens over here, and the init makes sure that there is a see, system init data. But that means if it doesn't do it, it should have both of them loaded at the same time. Which makes this even weirder. Okay, let's try that. Can I please? Okay, let's do that then. And then we go here, we change this to... We actually need 2 clients to connect. Zig, build, run. And this one should start sending messages immediately to this thing. We don't have it sending messages yet. So we'll have to do that. I didn't mean to do it like that. Oh my god. It just had to go like that. I want it on top like that. Yes, please. But on this side. Oh my god. Why can I not just do it for this one? Okay, whatever. Put it there. And then system. And then here we do send this data. We just don't receive it. Or we don't do anything with it in the net. Debug there. That should then say build -- watch. That should print it out 100%. So why didn't it trigger a hot reload? Anyways. And now if I do this again and I do... If I change this one out... No, yes, that's okay. And I say just 69. It should trigger... Just gonna say one more time just to be sure. And it didn't. It still says that. What? That's so weird. It shouldn't. Okay, what if I don't print? I just print out the... Instead of doing the data, we'll not do the data. We will just do it. So we do this, and we'll just do that. And then we have to I have to do this slightly differently. Wait, why is the data not... Ah, yeah, because it's actually modified. Yes, good. So this one should just print out that, and then if I go in here and I change this out to actually be the command .id. Why is it not triggering a hot reload? What the fuck? What if I just make a change to listing over here? Oh, that should definitely trigger a hot reload. That one does compile, but it doesn't... Why doesn't it register it? There are new versions. But it just doesn't register a hot reload. Why? Why does it not? It's so weird. See, build, watch. Oh, right. The client should at least. So if I stop this thing. Let's see, we can actually do it here. Close. That. And then we can go into net in here. And we'll just say we'll take in data again. Run that. And then if I change this to be what can I do? 0, that means there should be an 48 now. Let's see. Yeah, there's a 48. So that one understood to be, well, I could also just have changed the ID. So this one understands, but yeah, it makes sense that it actually doesn't understand because the reload only happens from here, and that one is still using the same old. So I cannot use this thing in the load. Ah, shit. Okay, we need to change it then to be different. But does it register at all that a reload? It should at least be able to close the old. Maybe there's a smarter way. So watch your reload and then system tape context and then watch your dynamic close 3 and then we load the new one. System table, and that should just change the update loop. But yeah, that's the only place I can't really do this. It's weird that this thing doesn't. I feel like this thing should be able to. No, it won't. Weird, but it should. Wait. What we can still do is that we get the new dynamic library here. Why not just do this like this? Okay, this may be even worse. System tape. System. Actually, it is the context that I want. Except that close. And I know this will be problematic, but we'll go in here and we'll just change it. It will not be an optional. And then we'll not assign it. Let's see. Oh my god. And then we are not concerned about this yet. And these things we will not do at all. Instead we'll do this though. But how can I access the net we'll see. We'll see. We got main. IO. Place that there. This. And then distant table context. Try IO. I don't know if this will be working either. Socket. Just want the socket. I think this one also wants the address up. Net. Can I somehow watcher dot in? I could access. Oh, I don't think this will work. We will try. Not cancel. Nice, that's a close. Right, it's from the system itself. System, net. It should not work though. Okay. Now this needs to be done within this thing. And that needs to be done through a new function, otherwise this will not work. And that can only happen within here. And it needs to close it before. Yes, fuck. Oh shit. This is so bad. Okay, what we can do instead, because we want to have access to the new accept client, kind of like the main thing. Ain't is disgusting, but I think it's fine. But we need to somehow figure out a way to. We don't want to halt the whole thing, do we? Do we? We could. And then we could get it to work. Would be awful, but it could work. We would call dinit with the old one, call reinit with the new one. We'll... No, because then... No, I don't want to do that. That would be kind of pretty bad. Would it be bad? Alright, just make another function called up reload instead of update. For now, that's the best solution I know. system context reload. Reload. Yeah. And then we'll just load that thing. And then it's the same as update, but just it's called reload. 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 And we'll change this off to reload. And in here we'll add another one. Here. I don't know why they're public. I think they could. Nah. I don't think they have to be the function. Reload. Maybe they have to be actually public. We'll see. Sell this. Then. Wait. Do we need? We don't need this. This is just pure. Yeah, we don't need that. We just need context. Yep. So we'll take in that over there, save that. And then in here we'll now do. Now would I need a pre-reload kind of like, and then post, because I need to. No, I think it should be fine to just. That's what it said was not fine, but let's see. Self dot cancel .io. Let's see. Like so. And then in main, it should be possible to just do this and then system table, system reload, and we'll just pass in the system context. Let's see. And if we now go to sysnet and we comment this thing out, so now either it will crash or it will actually do the thing it crashed. And it crashed probably because it will do a pre, and then we'll change the order. We won't do that anymore. No. A pre, which is just a bool. I'm gonna reload. If we reload, then we'll do this thing. And else we'll do this thing. Yeah. And then this one also. 3. Load. 4. Reload. And we'll have to change then this. This is bad, but I think it's still better than what we used to have, but still bad. And then we go to the main, and we'll do 1 when it recognizes this, and 1 when it. So this one should be true, right? And then this one should be false. Let's see. Now we go to net and we take back this thing. Yeah, now it works. Perfect. It's not ideal, but it works. Yeah, now the net protocol works hot reloadable in a very fancy way. But it's fine. It's fine. It allows so much more potential for the whole application now, so it's ideal. But still have a way to go with that. Um, there's no errors, right? There are... Wait, that is actually errors. What do they refer to? Okay, actually I have no idea what they refer to. I probably could run GDB to find that out, but I think Claude is faster. Wait, what? I'll help you Zig documentation. Vulkan and Zig. Okay, sure. Read. Because, I mean, it's not something bad per se, but I'm still curious to know what they are on about, because everything else seems to be working. What could give these errors? I should probably provide it a bit more, but right, actually, no, that's not a problem. But I need to do a self.accept close IO. Yeah, if we go through this. Whoa, it actually let me decode error cancel. So the error is cancel. This is standard library error that occurs when an async operation cancel. Looking at your code, the issue is likely self preload. Yes, the problem is race condition. When you call accept client cancel during pre-reload, you're canceling the future. However, the cancel returns immediately. It returns, doesn't wait for the task to finish canceling. The background net accept task might still be running when you reload the didn't reload when the system update is called. This tries to access the old. Okay, so we should just add the wait. Now I see. When cancel is next receive buffer call with return error cancelled, but the return is stored in the self accept future, which gets invalidated. Then a crash. It's not a crash, but it's unloaded. To access the old, need to await properly. Self cancel and then await. Okay, well that makes sense then. I'm fine with adding that, I think. So a reload here. Oops, wrong button. So we will do that, and I think that should actually apply immediately, but let's do one like this and see if it does. The rings. Now I still persist. Nope, did not fix it. Or I guess it actually fixed the other thing, but no, it did not. So, okay. I mean, it could make sense that it would have been. It sounded reasonable, but apparently it's not that. So that's interesting. Search. If the crash happens before true is even called, the error cancelled triggered. Yeah, but that should, if it's cancelled, shouldn't then not try to do print the new library is compiled, crash occurs in the old library, system table update appears after the crash. The problem is crash happens before system reload is even called. Well, I guess then it's just me, I just need to handle better the, oh god. Reload. Yeah, no, we're actually not gonna do that. I'm gonna handle that a bit differently. I'm fine with that for now. We're gonna take this back because it was cleaner like this. And what we can do now is that we can actually start to read the commands inside of the net. So what we can do right now, we're sending commands like crazy, but we could add another one here and go step back and then ending over here, and we can go into shared and then root, because inside of this thing I have the actual thing. So here the command is, and then data size. Now Harold, you here?
Mm-hmm.
What would be the best way to store these commands? Like some tagged union or something where you could have like
These commands.
like
Yeah.
the commands that you send throughout over the network, right? Because I just get them as
Uh-huh.
binary data so that I would easily be able to convert it back to the thing that I actually want.
Yeah, that's it. By the way, do you want to ever send like slices of data?
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, because bro, I've been doing networking also. Please make the network not be camel case.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, we're gonna, because I guess you want to send over like a slice of data, right?
Well,
You know, like you wanna send over like you don't know how many of something, right?
right now I'm
It is
just
going to happen.
probably at some point, but right now I'm just want to be able to send a connect and move or input or something like that.
That's not how networking works, bro. Like you store it with everything, or you go home, you know.
You start with him, brother.
Yeah. Also, why are you doing like the server IP and the server port? You can just do server address. And just manually do it. This is a waste.
Nah, for now we do this.
Nah, bro, it's dumb as shit. But alright, you do. Yeah. So, by the way, tagged unions, very funky, very funky.
Very funky.
But yeah, we can use them. We'll just have to make like opcodes and shit as well. So, what is this like ID thingy?
ID? Ah, no,
Yeah.
it was just for me. I was thinking like, would you use that to identify which command it is? But that was it.
That's got an opcode, my guy.
Same,
Yeah, okay.
same
No,
thing,
it's not.
different name.
No, not really.
I will do that in no time.
Okay. You know they're gonna share the same address, so you don't need to call it server address.
No, but I don't want it to be mixed up for being client or
It's the
something.
IONET.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know why is it not giving me any damn LSP in here. That's crazy. Okay, because there's so many other errors right now throughout the whole program. Because I changed the name to be lowercase.
Bro, you don't even have a read name feature.
Yeah,
In editor.
it should take the whole thing, but it doesn't. So it's funny. IO net. Is it just IP address then? I'll
Yeah,
do it in a
sure.
bit. Anyways, let's take the command first.
Okay, but so you do want to have like slices.
Sure, I want to have slices.
Okay, well that makes this like 10 times more complicated, but it's kind of necessary, I guess. So yeah, right.
Why don't I do server IP in integer? Yes! That would be pain.
Hey. Okay, but just remove the ID and the data field and make the command into a tagged union.
I don't remember how I... Was it enum somewhere? I don't remember where.
Yeah, sort of. Well, actually, no. Inside of the structure first, we're gonna do a new constant. It's gonna be pubconst opcode. It's a type. Yeah, and then you do equals enum. And then you do parentheses after the enum. And then U16, I would say, is probably good. Yeah, okay. And now, what are some things you want here? Do you want like a client connect or what?
Client connect and disconnect.
Okay, but you see the names of these opcodes have to kind of work for the server and the client, so you have them as connect and disconnect.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, can I just call and literally just connect and then do I have to specify
You
the...
don't. No. Just do equals 0 on the connect. Yeah, and then you do disconnect, and you don't even have to do an equals here because it just gets that it's 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You might not even have to specify the connect. Because I think it... Yeah, you probably don't actually. You can probably just remove the equals 0 there.
Yeah, but let's just go with this so we get something simple. Then we can add more.
Remove the equals 0.
Ah. Okay.
No, but like, well... yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. And now we got to add structures for this. So after the opcode, enum here, do a new one called pubconst, and then call these connect. Yep. And what do we want for the connection information? Like a name, maybe, you know, some stuff like that.
A name.
Client version.
We will
A
just
name, a client version.
We'll just go with name for now. Simple like that. Nothing.
Well,
Extra.
yeah, you're not gonna have it that easy, bro.
For now, I'm gonna have that easy. We're gonna add more later.
No. This is already too complicated. So you want to have a field called name underscore len if you want to slice it right now.
Well, I could always just say that it can max be 126. But yes, I could. I could. You know I could.
We don't like that though. You can just have this as a U16, I would say.
Yeah.
Yep. And then the name here, you just have that as a constituent. Alright, fantastic. And also rename the command to be the request.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay, and then we probably want to disconnect the structure also.
Disconnect.
And what exactly? And hell no, bro. Bro, spelling. Like I'm a dyslexic and I can spell.
I'm also. Don't worry about it. You're not alone.
I don't think you are though.
I am.
Are you though? For real?
Yeah, 100%.
Alright.
I don't have the papers to prove it, but I am.
Right. I'm actually rich, I just don't have the money to prove it. Okay. So, how do you want to store the like clients on the server? Is that like an ID or something?
Right now I'm thinking of just using, because I get the IP and like the IP address, right? With the port and the IP.
Well, you don't want to send over the entire goddamn IP for every request, do you now?
But it comes automatically with UDP.
Okay, but for requests?
Yeah, so whenever wait, am I dumb? Let me check real quick.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter, like, do we really want to write a shit ton of data?
Well, I don't know. I'm not writing it. I'm just doing receive, and inside of the receive, I already have from inside of here, which has the information.
Well, I guess. But, actually, we might actually want to rename it from request to be command or like action because of something here. Yeah.
Yeah, command was great.
I think, yeah, I think either command or action.
Wait, Lucas wants to make each packet a zip bomb. Yes.
Yeah, that's exactly what he wants. No, but like, I think what should happen is that the connect here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, I think it should get like a reply back, which is like the ID of the client, right?
But the idea of the why can we not just use when we either way receive the I don't get
We
it.
don't want a zip bomb, bro. Listen to the guy. We
But
don't wanna...
we are not even doing anything extra. It's just there. I'm not sending it. It still receives it here. I'm not doing anything extra to get it. I just have it there when I do the read of the receive of the socket.
Okay.
So I'm not sending that. It's
I
just there when I
guess.
receive. So it's already baked into the packet. Why I cannot? I don't know. Can I remove it?
Well, it's just like in the case that you want to do like a command that affects another player as well.
Yeah, but then that will take on later because it's kind of like that the server has to send what ID refers to what player because the client cannot have.
Yeah, I think I think it's good that we do that now actually.
Well, we just want to spawn in player when they connect. We don't want to do anything else, right? And then we want to remove
this
them.
is good from the start. Otherwise, we will be cooked later. Okay?
No, we won't be cooked.
We will, bro. I've done more networking than
Bro,
you. I believe we
it's
are
literally
100%
just an
cooked.
integer to identify that we just add when we know that how it's going to work. That's it.
But we can still just add it for now, okay? But
Why would we add it when we don't know how it's gonna work yet?
Because it's just gonna be an integer.
But yeah, but what's the point of adding it then when it's not even gonna work?
Well, it's just gonna be 0 for now, okay? Good, yes. So, yeah, above the...
But why would if it's 0, it's just occupied space. We might not even know that's gonna be there where we add it. There's no point to it.
Well, just remove it then.
Yeah, so we don't add it basically then.
No.
That's the same as just removing it. Just don't add it.
Well, you know, adding it won't be that. I don't know, bro.
No, I don't need it. I don't.
Too much.
I don't need it right now, so I'm not gonna add it.
There's a lot of stuff you don't need. You don't need to store the server IP and server port as two different things. You can just store it in an
Yeah. I'm gonna change it to that, but I'm not doing it right now.
Yeah, sure. Okay, but just make a header structure. Okay, did Fred and yeah, no, yes, it was Jason. Yes,
To IP or not to IP?
Yeah, but
Exactly.
isn't opcode right now enough? Why would we need a header structure?
No, we need a header because where are we gonna store the opcode in? And also we're gonna have to send other stuff in the future, like client ID and shit. Right?
Well,
We should probably have a request header and a reply header. So this one you can just call request header.
I'm still a bit
oh,
unsure.
you're doing the net stuff right now. I see.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah,
One
because
thing that's
it doesn't
very
know anything.
important is, like I don't know how much it's, but like you send a data, right?
Yeah.
And it needs to be continuous in memory.
Yes.
So I would recommend you guys, like I don't know how you would do it in Zig,
Mhm.
but what I do in C is I have a struct with an extended
Magic
array.
number.
What?
No.
I mean,
Like,
I just had a struct that I just converted to the binary of it, and then I just converted it
But
back
how do you store the struct? How do you store the struct?
like this. It used to be this command. I just had an ID field and a data field, and I just populated the fields, and then.
But how big is the data?
Oh, it's just the 1024 bytes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I mean. Like what I have is I can send 6 bytes. I can also send 5,000 bytes. You know.
Yeah. But I just sent that, and then on the server side, I just got it back, and then I mem copied the bytes back over to the structure, and then I could read it out inside of the server.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, great. So now, yeah, just do opcode in here for now. Yeah, we probably want to. Well, I guess technically the opcode kind of says the length, anyways, and yeah. Okay, great. So
Penguin
what do
operators.
what?
What?
Penguin operator. Great.
Yeah.
So
Crazy.
now, what do you want to do in the disconnect thing here?
No, that's just sending a signal that the client disconnected. It's nothing else.
Okay, great. Then you can actually remove that structure. Well, I thought you were gonna have something else.
Isn't
But
this
okay.
in the opcode then? Yeah.
Yeah, it's in opcode. Yeah. Great. So now, I'm thinking that command can probably just be a namespace actually. Great. Okay, now on to the fun part. We're gonna do some absolutely schmanger banger compile time magic here. Okay?
Alright, crazy.
So, just like if you think something doesn't make sense, point it out, okay? Because we're all lost here. So, make a function now at the end of the command namespace here, I would say. I would call it just write, I guess.
Both. Right?
Okay,
Yeah,
but
yeah. I'm not sure, but just so that I know, would it better to have a command as command or as CMD? Because CMD is like shorter, you know. Some like maybe like that's how I have it. Like I'm not sure because.
Yeah, why not? Why not? You move it to CMD. You know. Why not? We're gonna type this a lot, so yeah. Okay. Now, by the way, Lucas, are you using big endian or always little endian, or like what are we doing?
I haven't even thought about it. I have just sent data over.
Yeah, I know you haven't thought about it. Okay. Great. So make.
But isn't it on personal computers usually little endian unless you have something specific? You have.
Yes, it's always like little endian, and yeah, but just make constant above the command. Pubconst endian. So it's always the same, you know. Because we don't want to do.
Is there like already an implemented in the net?
Yeah, or? STD built in. I can probably find it here, right? STD built in endian, yeah.
Lowercase or?
It's a type.
Do n.
And I just do equals little.
All right. We should really fix the. What the fuck is happening here? Fix these things so we could get some LSP running.
Yeah, fix those.
So that's. I'm gonna do this. Let's see. That is in. Where is that? System. And then it's line 75. Did I type wrong 75? There. And then can I just rename this like this and say net? No, of course I cannot.
By the way, Lucas, you want to learn about comp time, right?
I know a bit of comp time already now.
You don't.
I
So
don't.
you wanna learn a bit of comp time?
Wait.
Okay, this is gonna be like the comp time, like exam.
Okay,
right?
I know already. I know comp time already.
Really? Alright,
Yeah,
bro.
he's mastered it, Harold, bro. He's mastered it, bro.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can teach him, bro. Trust.
You don't know me, bro. I'm
You know,
built
like
different.
actually, like to
Right.
the pros.
I actually have to
they
use
do, like,
Helix
they
here.
actually use snake case types and like, you know, like that's what
Ah.
it was. You know?
Yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
does even
course.
Helix doesn't even work with this now, does it? No, Helix is also fucked up. Oh man. Really?
Everyone is fucked up. Yeah. I know, it's crazy.
What the fuck is up with the namespace, right? Or like the... What the fuck?
I don't know, bro.
Not even Helix is working. That's some sad times, alright.
Yes.
So what's my challenge?
Well, the challenge is to make the right thing here. Well, write one of the structures, and also this is the easy part of the exam.
Write one. What do you mean?
So
Write one of these structures.
the goal here is so you can just pass in the header and a value like connect, for example, right?
Mm.
And then it's just gonna just write that into some memory, right?
Ah,
like a couple of
okay.
bytes. Uh-huh.
I was doing render stuff. We're just having basically the planet. That's it. But I just want to see cubes moving around. That's the important part. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take in the request header in that case, and then a buffer. Or
I mean, I would take buffers first.
what? What? I always take them last. Why would you take them first?
You usually take them first in Zig. You can look at the STD buff print for an example.
No, receive has the buffer here.
Well, receive is but this is to do with priority, bro. Like IO comes before buffers, right?
Vtable also takes user data handle, message, and then buffer at the end. Receive
Yes,
timeout
because of
has the timeout at
priorities.
the end. And what is this? Receive too many.
Bro, that one doesn't even have buffer. But the thing with buffers, bro, is like the rest of the things, alright? It's to do with like priority, right? What comes first is gonna be like the IO and the structure itself, right? And then buffer, right? Yes.
I don't know, I feel like isn't it more important to know what you're doing and then pass the buffer than passing the buffer and then tell it what to do? I don't know. Maybe.
Nah, just do as they do. Alright, that's the professionals.
Could you say Matef that he needs to play Minecraft? What? Who Jason? What? What? Who?
Oh yeah, I'm playing with the Minecraft server with him.
Ah.
Yeah,
Oh.
Jason, play Minecraft.
TD Chef. Yeah,
It was so
okay.
funny. Yesterday, when I was in school, and my school is basically everyone from like 6 or 5, whatever, to like 16, you know, which is fantastic. So there was just a bunch of kids, like while me and my bro was waiting like outside of the lesson to start, whatever, and they asked if we like Minecraft, and I said, yeah, nah, I hate Minecraft. And then they got pissed, and then I said, I actually don't even know what Minecraft is. Yeah. I was just baiting them, but...
Wait, shouldn't I take in the actual, like, what do you want me to do?
Bro, it's calm down. Okay. Yeah, professional here. No, it's called buff. You're gonna type it a lot, so...
Buff.
No, it's buff. No, 1F.
Okay.
Very specific here.
Okay.
And then that's not a type, it's a array of U8s, not constant U8s.
That's
Array?
okay.
Select, yes. Not
Yes.
const, yes. Okay, great. And then we have headers, right? And then after that we have value,
Value.
which is any type.
Okay.
Right. Now this function, we should probably call it write buff, if I'm gonna be honest.
I'm still like unsure what this is supposed to accomplish when you said that it should. Okay.
Write buff as all lowercase. I see. what is it supposed to achieve?
Yeah.
It's gonna achieve the greatest thing ever. Also, it should probably return a U size as well for the length, so we know how much we wrote. But either we can return the U size or we can return a slice.
I'll use size, I think.
Okay, great. Yes. Now we well, now the fun starts. So we do. Well, first of all, we gotta write the header. And about the header, actually, it should be optional.
I like how basically Harold is writing the code here.
Yeah, I know, but soon Lucas is gonna get into the coding, okay? So now you do if header. Yes, and then we capture.
Capture the flag.
Exactly. You can just call it H or head or some shit. Yeah.
H.
Okay. Great. Now we actually want to also store a len before this, right? Well, actually, now I got to think here. I think it would be easiest actually if we made a writer. Yes. Okay. Never mind. Just name make a writer.
Why not just do what I used to do here? You just propagate the command with the data
this is so
and,
not, this is
and
not
then mem
scalable,
copy
bro.
it. You just mem copy
not
it.
Scalable.
But it is
Bro.
scalable.
Not scalable, bro.
It is.
Not scalable.
I will show you after we have done your way. I'm gonna show you how it's just easier with mem copy.
Well, it's easier, but it's gonna. It's not scalable, alright?
It is.
It's
Okay.
like doing, bro. It's like doing web, you know. It's easy. It's not scalable. Okay. Do just I think do var fixed writer.
Fixed writer. What are we doing?
Fixed writer. Ed
Yeah.
also. Fix ed writer.
Ah, fixed. What the fuck?
SDIO writer equals dot fixed. That's not it's a function.
It's a function?
Yeah, you need to pass in a buffer. Pass in the buffer. Actually, we might need an IO for this as well.
Good.
Yeah. But like, if we weren't to use the writers, it would be sort of painful. Okay, so Lucas, okay, here's the deal, all right. So like, either we can either we can use the writers, right, and then we can get a bunch of functions for free that are gonna be super nice to use, or we can just store a len, right, and then you have to increment that on like every single thing, and it's gonna be like a ton of code and.
Well, we should.
Yeah.
We still have access to IO within the system, so we do have it.
Okay, it's also IO before buff, I think. I have to like double check this. I rarely use that one. Is the right there. Oh wait, no, fixed actually does not need an IO. Oh, this code. Okay. Great. I guess it's because it's not really doing any IO here. So, yeah. Okay, great. So now I'm actually gonna tell you this. Rename buff to buffer. It's just because we actually don't need to use it that much now, because we're gonna do writers anyways.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so fast. Okay, now you make a const writer here. Yes. Equals
Okay.
reference to fixed writer. Yes.
What the fuck?
Okay, great. Now, in the H in here, yes, we do. We can make our lives easier actually by making the request header structure be packed. Yeah. Okay, great. Now in here, yes. Now finally we can do a try.
Okay. This is getting interesting now.
Writer.
Okay. I thought it was the H.
Write struct. Yeah. Okay. I just need to double check this as well. Let's see.
Where's the damn LSP when I need it, huh? It's so
Okay.
funny.
Yes. Now you can just pass in the H, right?
Okay.
Comma and the N. Yes. Fantastic. Semicolon. We can actually have this on one line as
Yeah.
well.
What the fuck? Okay.
Yes. Fantastic. Okay, great. Now before we do the comp time stuff, we're just gonna do a return.
Or error return.
And then
Or does it return?
let's see here. Then it is. Yeah, I think we just return writer end here.
Is it a function
End.
or a just?
Var field. Yeah, but it might be. I never really remember this shit here, but let's see here. Does writer? No, it does not store a seek. It only ends. Okay, fantastic, great. So that's the simple of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we just have to get to the painful parts.
Okay.
Yeah. So now after you have done the like if header whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now we got to do. I mean, I don't think it should be too complicated for the write. Reading is like way more difficult. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we do switch.
Switch. Value.
Yeah, and then you do at
No.
at type info,
Value.
and then you do at type of
Okay.
type of value because it takes in a type,
Type of value.
and then value. Yes.
Yeah, I knew it all the time.
Exactly. You can just do like else for now also because there is like a lot of shit, right? Doing this without LSP is gonna be really painful. Just so you know.
I can already see it because it's already painful just being the standard
Yeah.
library not working. Fuck, man.
It's gonna be 10 times more painful. Alright.
That's crazy.
Yeah, okay. But you can just do dot int in the switch before the else because else has to be at the end. Yes.
Embrace unsafe to use at mem copy. I don't get it. Int, okay.
Yes.
Is it just int like
fatima.
that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. And I might. Yeah, I guess it's. Yeah, this is always the tricky part here, because this function has to be like recursive in a way. Yeah, but no, it should be fine. Yes. Okay, so if it's int, then we do writer. Actually, try. Sorry. Obey. Writer dot write int. Write int, yes, and then that takes in the type, which you can just do We actually probably no, don't do type of value. Actually, at the first line, we actually want to do just const uppercase T equals at type of value. I think that's like either you can call it T or you can call it value, but I think T is better. Yeah, you can also in the now type info you can just do passing T there. Yeah. Okay, and then you do comma and then value.
Oh, inside
I
us.
think it requires more than this type. And then also the endian, which is just endian. Okay. Now we want to do what do we want to do here? Interesting. I guess now we do like dot pointer, and like when it's a pointer, we'll just always assume it's gonna be a U8 string for now. Yeah, just do a writer write all.
Wait, writer dot write all, or how does it? Yeah.
Yeah. No, what writer? Huh?
Writer right. Alright. Write all.
Yeah. And then you just pass in the bytes, which is value.
But do I do it? You said
No T, just value. No endian here. Also.
what the fuck? Just value.
Yeah, like U8.
I would really like to have the LSP so I could go check this thing out, because I'm like, what the fuck do I even do here?
You don't wanna look in writer.
I do wanna look in writer, bro. Okay, well, let's try to fix that. Let's fix that LSP real quick. This is in Zig. And that just comes from here, so I'm just gonna do a... I'm actually just gonna comment out anything that does with this, because it's let's see. The complaints buffer is... okay, I cannot do that. We'll just do this. Oh my god. Like so, and then this one comes from the systems. And that's just now isn't it? Simple listing. And that should have fixed it now. Good. I don't know. Now there shouldn't be any problems with the shared root, but still I don't get it. I'm really confusion.
You are really confusion, yes.
Yes. No, also same for this one. Crazy. Okay, we'll just have to continue on without LSP. It's so frick... Or can I... No, I cannot.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Oh, so
What's up?
Okay, so int
let's
pointer... It would be really nice with LSP for this thing.
wait, the stream is not, you've been disconnected.
Okay,
Right.
great.
That's-
Harold died.
Wait, let me rejoin.
Alright.
Hello.
I always try to try more things out, but okay.
Yeah, it ain't working.
It ain't... What ain't working? The stream?
Does my stream work for you?
No.
Can you
I
look
also
at my...
can't watch.
Ha.
It's dead. I'm gonna...
Right, cheesecake.
Yeah, all of the streams are
Yeah.
dead. I cannot watch a single stream.
Yeah.
Well, you can still go to the
You're
actual
right.
stream.
Oh, is this
Well-
not broken again? No way. That would be so crazy.
Yeah. By the way, Tesha, can you send me the IP to the server? Also, what version?
Yeah, no, but it's a little bit more complicated where mods and stuff. I need to ask my friends
Okay.
if you can join. Like and
Sure. Is it this mod reinforce?
yeah, like there's a whole mod pack. Like if you can join, it's easy to install. Like
Bro, I
he
have
made a
Prism.
mod
I
pack.
can just install anything, bro. It's the goated launcher. Okay, but yeah, Lucas, like we're basically done for now, right? With the writing, you can try it out if you want to. Right?
Stream started 69 minutes ago. That's crazy. What did you say?
Like we're done with the basics now for the writing. You don't have floats yet, which shouldn't be too hard to add. You don't have recursion for substructures, but actually that is a bit of a problem actually. Maybe I can go to YouTube.
Do you have an example created that I could just read instead?
Yeah, I think so, yes.
Yeah, send the link to that. I will check it out.
It's not a link.
Okay. It's a code base.
But I can- Sort of. Let's see here. Bada boom, bada bam. Yeah, I can send it to you. This is the thing I have for my like X11 networking stuff, and it works pretty well. Like actually, like really well. It's so goated, bro. It's
Right.
unbelievably goated.
That's isn't that for TCP? Well, it shouldn't really make a difference, right?
Doesn't make a difference. In this example though, I'm taking in a writer, but because you're using UDP, you have the writer, right? And header stuff. Like, wait, no, the stream works again. The stream works again.
Oh, okay, crazy.
But you can basically just copy what I sent. Yeah, just take this like entire switch case, essentially.
Yes, yoink.
Yeah.
Do I need
Also,
the else
it's
any
calling-
longer?
Yes, but it's in there already, so it's like okay. Yes. Also, the reason it's called like Marshall or whatever, it's the scientific name or some shit. I don't know.
Right, but no, I don't have I don't need the Indian, right? And then
No. And the header you can use passive nodal here. That's why I did this. With the
Interesting.
optional name.
Okay, but then I continue.
And the buffer is the buffer thingy is easy to fix.
Do I slice it from the previous size?
Maybe we should actually. You know what, Lucas? Just copy that entire function I sent to you, right?
Yeah, that I did. You want me?
Yeah, but we want to just copy it straight in there, and then the right buff, whatever, is just gonna make the writer and write the header, right? And then just call the thingy. Yeah,
The what?
the Marshall.
Oh, so the
Browse.
writer calls Marshall. Okay, so then we can
Yeah.
reuse it. I see. Okay.
Yeah, you can basically just copy it straight in here. Yeah.
And then we do write buff, and that creates the thing, and then we can still do the header.
the
I
header.
guess.
Yeah, header is fine. And then yeah, we can still return header end really, but we write end, I mean.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Turn right and like so, and then this one just calls Marshall, and then we just call passing the writer, the value, yeah, and then
And then it's Indian, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fantastic.
Yeah,
Now,
we don't need that.
there's also a little thing inside here. Remove the where the comment called padding is. That's an X11 specific thing, which we
So
don't need.
this whole line just go.
Yeah. Just remove that shit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Great. And then we have writing. You wanna try it out?
And this function parameter shadows declaration. Ah, yeah, I
All
cannot.
right. Yeah, just remove the NGN parameter. Yeah.
So this whole thing is not needed.
Yeah, that whole thing is not needed. Mm-hmm.
Now we
Then you don't
can.
need to pass it in either. Yeah.
Oops. But all right.
Mm-hmm.
Is inline switch not
Fantastic.
required in SIG anymore to get comp time eval, or is it just RTTI?
I don't believe there was ever an inline switch, but there's inline else. But
Inline else.
the compiler will tell you when that's needed. So
Okay, so we try this just sending some data.
yep.
All right. So we will do it in system. Here is where I just try every time in my update I send a random packet to the.
By the way, actually, about the write buff, before we do anything, we should probably remove the header to be optional. It probably can just be not optional.
Probably can be not optional.
Yeah.
I don't know why I have. Wait. Yeah, because this is actually for the. Yeah, okay. Now I remember. There's no RTTI in SIG. What?
Huh? What? There's no what?
It's elliptic. Who said it? That sounds interesting.
I don't know what that is, bro. English, please.
English. I'm actually not entirely sure, to be honest, either.
Fantastic.
SIG change much.
I think
yeah.
bro is saying random words.
No, RTTI is something, definitely. I have read about it and seen videos about it, but I still don't remember what it is. So I'm like.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Anyways.
So now, if you go to system, I mean, this one is still so weird to have here, but yeah. So here, if I now do I just create a command again?
Not really.
What do I do?
You just like you have to call the like write buff thingy.
Okay. Why does it think that it's uppercase? What the fuck? It's a bit outdated. Oh my! It cannot be for real. Okay, let me just.
How is your LSP cooked?
I fucked your hand. Oh man, this is weird.
Do you have any like other helix or Vim processes?
I'm just gonna close everything right now and just figure that out, I guess. It's probably because of plot, right?
Yes.
It has to be, there's no other way. Okay, let's try again. Shared.net. Yes, now it's up to date. Okay. And then
command
write buff. And now we just need a buffer. Which I can just
yeah. You can just make out of your ass if you want.
Yes.
You can also like figure out kinda the length that is required for a request. We can probably make a helper for that also. So if you wanted to use like allocations, but yeah.
Well, now we're gonna send connect all the time. That's fine.
yeah. Lots of clients are connecting today.
This is the same client is going. Was there a third?
And there's no real like it's any type. So you have to just pass in shared net command connect and just initialize it there. I mean either that or you can make a structure like outside and just pass that in. But
wait, this is it's you do. Is it like this if I remember correctly?
Yeah.
Do you need the ampersand for it or no? Just this. And then name, I can just say whatever. Lucas. And Okay.
Okay, bro, you're doing this in the worst way possible. Okay, just
Thank
take
you.
this connection like thing and just make it into constant before, you know?
This the command.
Mm-hmm. I would say make it before the buffer, but
Connect. And then we can just do this.
yes. And also, I would just make a name also before the connect because you don't want to calculate the length by hand, like some little monkey.
Oh, I wanted to calculate by hand like
You don't have to specify the type. You can just do equals, and then it will be a string literal.
Damn.
Yeah, and then you know, if the connect structure is named len first. So.
What?
my god, bro.
What do you say? What did you say?
Bro, the connect structure, the order is connect len first. So I mean, I would recommend that you follow the same ordering.
Huh. It's suggesting other way around though.
No, it's suggesting based on like alphabetical whatever.
I don't think it's. I don't know. I don't think so.
It's not smart enough to like figure it out any other way.
And then we go in here and we can pass in connect.
Also have to do reference to the buffer, like so it's not because that's a fixed size buffer, and it needs to not be, or like it's a different type system. Reference, you know how to do that? Yes.
And then I try.
Fantastic. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then you can also print the buffer. It returns a length, right?
Yeah.
So you can do like I don't know, it's const
Size.
whatever size. Yeah, sure. And then you can print out the thing.
Buffer. Do I print the whole?
It's S. But actually, no, it's any. No, it is actually any.
Emmy?
Any, yes. And then you do just slicing the buffer with the slice.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then let's just run the server once. We're not gonna send it, so I think it should be fine. Client. And let's see. Little
I
has
spelled
moved.
little wrong.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's two T's.
I knew something was wrong, but I didn't dare to say anything.
Really.
Yeah, I didn't want to hurt your ego.
You know, I kind of thought that you would like be able to spell it, so I didn't even think about it. But... oh well.
Let's see. Error union is ignored. So I also need to add that there. Well, that's great with this LSP working so good.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Expected 2 organisms found 3 marshaled, so yeah, I still probably left the.
Yeah.
No, wait.
It's inside of the marshal. It's recursive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you see it's a U16 the first 2 bytes, right? And connect is just 0, so it's just 0, 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have Lucas, right?
Yeah.
And
A is 97.
yeah, exactly.
That I know from heart. Or by heart.
Is it like reversed or something here?
No, A. Lucas.
Okay.
It's
but it should work, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah. Because len, yeah, it also takes the opcode and then the len. Yeah, and if you put disconnect, there should be a 1 in those firsts, right?
Yep.
Well, actually I have hot reloading, I shouldn't have to do that, but I just did. Yeah, so now it's a 1 there, and then if you go again here, we do it to a connect. And it's gonna not hot reload?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. It's not reloading.
There,
Yeah.
there, now it did, brother.
You see, and now to the funny part.
Oh, there's a funny part?
Reading.
Ah,
Yeah.
that sounds like funny or something.
Reading. And you know what? For that, I am gonna send a little thing for you.
Oh, I'm gonna get a little thing.
Yes. Now, just so you know, this is kind of specific for X11 in certain ways, but we'll just like fix it up a little bit. And it's way too long. Fantastic, kill me.
What? No, hot reloading is working. It's just I didn't have it. I didn't have the build run, so it actually just hot reloaded based on my NeoVim config running diagnostics to see if everything works, and then it's kind of half-assed though. Yeah, it's bad, but yeah, hot reloading will always be part of the project, right? So
Will it?
yes, it's gonna work with the internet connection as well. Pretty fire.
Right, anyways, I sent a little thing to you.
You sent me a little thing. What did you send?
Mhm.
Oh, that's no little thing at all.
Yeah, it's a big boy.
Can I easily just copy the whole thing? No. Okay, I'll
Yeah, you
just.
should be able to. Unless you're like dumb.
I am dumb.
I mean, if you do like view the whole file, you press Control A.
It selects everything else outside of the file and press Ctrl A.
And why does it send it like two things? Oh my god, Discord.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, I don't know. It's messed up. Just fix it, bro. Just copy it.
No. Hot reloading is just because it's cool. That's why I have hot reloading in the title. Alright, so we're gonna do here.
After the Marshall. Yeah, welcome to my code, guys. I hope you like it.
And Marshall.
Yeah, I don't know why it did that, bro. There's two on Marshalls, but Discord, bro, at the end there is remove that shit. Discord just is dumb. Yes. They don't know how to use
I think something else got fucked.
Yeah, just add a curly brace at the end.
I don't think that's the fix.
And add a semicolon here. Yes. Add another semicolon and another curly brace.
I don't think that's it. Okay, wait. Let me just. I'm gonna copy it like this instead. I'm just gonna take the part that seems to be the relevant part and forget the rest. Why did it come two of them? That's so dumb. Okay, we're gonna put it in here, yeah, and then save it. That looks way better. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Wait. We need to hot reload viruses directly into our machines. That is the end goal, right? Yes. Very much the end goal. Okay, Endian. We don't.
Remove the Endian. Yeah, remove that. The serialized slices. Yeah. Right. Oh my god, it's actually a mess.
Indentation is crazy, man.
yeah, I know. Wait, I'll send a little thing for you. Another thing.
No. Please don't tell me you sent twice of it as well. Okay, good.
No.
Okay, it looks happy now.
Yeah, the function should probably be called like get add Marshall size, but.
What is this out anyways? Where does this come from?
This out?
Okay, it's a type. Okay, great.
Yeah.
What the fuck is reader TOSS? Where did you see reader the TOSS?
Toss.
Oh,
Right.
POS?
Toss. Yeah,
Toss.
you see, like, reader is a ring buffer. Yeah.
Wait, where is the other toss? Bro, I just took the code. I have no idea what this thing does at the moment. Okay, I can.
Read it, bro. Read it.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually such a mess. Oh no. Oh, this is it's already half functioning when I started to use it, but afterwards it did not get better.
I also like the random mixed use of deserialize and unmarshal.
Yeah, me too. It's because it was called deserialized from the start, and then it's in beta, right? So that's why we're sending it to Lucas.
Woo! I feel so privileged.
Yeah, but you wanna read it?
Yeah, let's read it. What do we have? We get an allocator, we get a reader, that's gonna be funny, and then an out, which will be the type. Is this the whole command structure, or what is it that it's gonna be? What is this? In the
That's
end.
gonna be the command structure.
Yeah, and this hero is slices. Wait. Is this for
basically like if you put that to false, it will just like slice len, right? It will just toss it and you not store it. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Unmarshal is very Microsoft piled. Crazy.
Microsoft piled? What?
Yeah. Or pilled, not piled. My bad. It's not using it at memcopy really worth this much pain. It's not using at memcopy worth this much pain. Harold would know. I haven't touched this deep, so I
Fantastic. Also, bro, you can remove the comments with the prints and remove the padding also thingy. We don't need the padding. I like that I'm doing it.
It says padding. Do you also want to
remove the padding?
The whole thing?
Yeah, remove everything with padding, bro. Yeah.
Well, then this thing is no longer needed.
Okay, great. Then we don't need that. Fantastic. Love it. Love to see it. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. No, anyways, so how does... Wait, so in the beginning you get the whole structure in that you want to actually use, or...
Yeah, it's a type. That you
okay, and then you will... What will it... It will get that it's a struct, right? In the beginning.
Yeah, I mean, most likely, yeah.
Yeah, and then... Okay, so you will just have... That's... How does this... How does it... Okay, yeah, okay. And then we'll have that, and then it will... Whoa! It's gonna go through each and every field, okay.
You can just do STD meta fields, but it destroys LSP a bit, so...
okay. And then I'll do a switch on that field type?
No, bro, that's not what you do. That's not what you do. Read the code very carefully.
Okay, so for each of the fields, we're gonna capture the field, and then field... Wait, how does this...
Yeah, you know in JavaScript when you can do like a structure,
yeah,
and then just do like the brackets and then a string to access the field name.
yeah,
that's kind of what that field is.
Oh god.
But it's more comp time. It's not like JavaScript where it's runtime and that's whatever it feels like.
Okay, but then we do a switch on the field type.
Mm-hmm.
A bit okay, so we're gonna assign this to whatever this... Okay. And then... Okay. How does this wait, what?
Yeah, reader is a very complicated thing. It's a ring buffer and it kind of has like a seek and an end, and then it just... don't question it. Just use it. You know, just use it.
Why
It's
are we
also an interface,
Yeah.
so-
Now the internet guy sounds like, why are we not just literally mem copying? That seems giga ineffective. This thing compared to just mem copy.
This giga ineffective. No, bro. When you have this, you're never gonna have to do anything else in your life. Trust me. Mhm.
But why would not mem copy be anything different?
What do you mean?
We could literally just mem copy the exact size you need and just the structure size, and then that will be it.
Can you now?
Yes.
For slices,
Yes.
which are pointers.
But the slices also contain the size.
Okay, and how does the memcopy know about that?
Well, you can get the size from it.
No, but I mean, like, let's say you have a structure, right?
Mhm.
And you have a slice as a field.
Mm-hmm.
How the hell is the memcopy supposed to know that?
Well, you will just have like.
No,
When-
it doesn't
when-
work like that because
when-
a slice is a pointer.
Well, you let's say you have a name, right? Won't you also
Uh-huh.
have to implement the deserializer? Well, that's what basically
This
what
is
this
deserializer.
this is basically what it is, yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, when would you need such do we need such a dynamic system? Like, you can just put name to be max 100 characters, and anything that's beyond it, you would disregard it, and so you would just have max.
No, that's dumb, bro. That's dumb.
That's that.
Because you already have the code. You already have
Yeah.
the code, bro.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
just did all the hard work here.
Yeah, okay. I'm a bit confused about the reader. Should really like take some time to understand this reader a bit more because it's always so confusing.
Yeah, good luck. No, I barely understand how it
This
works.
guy is just like shitting on me every time I say I should do this. Yeah, good
No,
luck.
I mean, yeah, bro, barely I know how to use it. Alright, I know how to use it, but I barely know how it works. It's very complicated, and it doesn't help that it's an interface, so it's like really unreadable.
The reader's unreadable.
Bro, go into the take function. You go into that. Like the reader take.
The reader take? Wait, where's just
Bro,
take
it's
there?
down, yeah, here. Yeah.
Oh, wow, LSP actually
Uh-huh.
worked.
Now we
Mm.
can go into peak.
Peak? Peak is a great game.
Yeah. And you can go into fill. And now you can go into fill unbuffered. And now you can go into rebase.
Wait.
Rebase.
Wait. Wait, Lucas, can you send this code in our? Okay, I want to play Hans on it. Okay, I will send. Is it fine if I send this to so we can
Yeah,
play Hans with
sure.
it?
What do you want to do with it exactly?
Do you want the whole file basically, this whole net thingy, or just the unmarshal?
Bro, you like my code?
I will do. How did I do? I was about to leak our.
Your super private DMs.
Yeah, it's not good to leak that. It's
But wait, what did you want to do with Hans or towards Hans with this?
there. I sent the no just on. Oh shit! Let me just delete that real quick. Nobody saw that I sent that. All right. Yeah, it's
What do you want to do? You want to do like trick Hans with this or what?
I don't know.
What's the goal there?
Something is to mess around with Hans. That's always fun to see happen. So yes.
It's also so rage bait with the enum in here, which points to a block called E, and then the first thing in there is just break E. Yeah, I don't know, man. I was definitely on something while writing this. All right, but bro, like writing comp time fries your brain. Okay.
Yeah, but it's still pretty fire to write combat. I like it. It's like you can do a lot with it.
I guess.
Okay.
Oh, this code is actually so rage bait. It's unbelievable.
Harold is claiming to be smarter than you. Yes, he is always this guy. Can you
Bro, I
believe?
wrote this function. I believe I'm better at Zig at least.
How would okay? So now we got this. So then in here we can now actually receive. We
Well,
receive.
not so fast.
Okay.
Not so fast. So we gotta make a read buff function.
Like this.
Yes, exactly like that. We also want, no, I guess we can just have a one header. Yeah, you know what? Rename the request header to just be header. It's so much nicer having like control over both the client and server side, because no like 80s bullshit will get you. So, yeah.
What do we need for read buff? Do I just the same stuff?
We just need a buffer. Yeah, just a buffer. Yeah. And then that's
do we need the allocator because
Yeah,
it's being
yeah.
used in here, and reader, or does the reader get created
well,
there?
we create a reader, but
The type?
we want we want out, yeah.
Yeah.
Or you can just call it T inside of the read, is T, and then that's type. And that comes before. Yeah. Well, that's it though. You can choose.
I prefer. No, actually, I don't know. I don't really have. I just put type whenever it feels like it's needed, when it's associated with one of the parameters.
Right. Okay, great. Yeah. So now we want to do we want to make a reader, which we can make a fixed reader. I'm pretty sure. It's a var.
Of course it is. I was just testing
Yeah,
you.
of course. Yeah, sure.
And what is this? Is STD? Where do I get it? Is it IO reader?
You don't need yeah reader. IO reader.
Look at that! LSP is back. Crazy.
Yeah.
And then
Equals to
fixed.
fixed,
And
and
then
then
we
you pass
pass.
in the buffer. Yes, and then you make the const reader as a reference of fixed reader. I am wondering now though how we are supposed to return both use size and also the structure.
Well, you know, it's quite easy. We can just take a reference use size here and then modify that.
No, this
This-
ain't C, bro.
That's the C way, man. It's pretty,
Yeah, I
pretty
know,
easy.
and I hate it. I think you should just return it as a tuple.
Don't like tuples. I hate tuples. Was it struct
Yeah,
and
I
then
don't like them either.
you do
Yeah, it's no field names.
just use size, comma, and then T,
T. Yeah.
and like that, right? Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, great. And now we do the unmarshalling.
Marshalling. The allocator we also needed, right?
No, it's optional allocator, my guy. Read the code.
But
No. Yes.
so we don't. Why? But if we do we even get to a case where we would like to use it?
Possibly in the future.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's just null, and then
Yeah, we might. I think we might want to make like a read alloc function, and then you would pass in the allocator there. Yeah, and
reader,
that's mainly for slices and shit like that.
then out, and then false.
And then true.
Ah.
Yeah, that's right.
Like that.
Yep.
That is
And
crazy.
then we got just do a return also. I would probably, I guess you can store just here. Just call it out. Just const out equals. This ain't the cleanest code, but it's right. And then you return the tuple, which is then reader dot buffered len or something.
Buffer len.
Yeah.
and
then out. Mhm.
do I need to
It's a
the dot?
Yeah. Great. And now we have that. Fantastic.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
So now we do reader in here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's actually one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta do the header also. Yes. Okay. So in the tuple now, put T before U size.
T before you. Wait, you mean
Yeah,
swapping
trust
this?
me. Yes. And then before T, we also want to do the header.
Like this?
Comma, yes. Yeah, and then before we do the unmarshalling of out.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Then we do const and then header is equal equal reader dot take struct. It's also try, I guess, but yeah.
Take struct.
Header and then you just pass in endian. And don't forget to try. Yep.
And then
And
just
then
that.
we gotta do a header and out. Yes. Out is before reader then.
I forgot already.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay.
Okay, now we should be done. Right, so now in the accept client we can do const, I guess, or like, do you know how when a message is coming in, or I haven't done UDP really.
I just
So.
I don't know more than that. I do this receive and I receive some information.
Okay.
That's it.
Is receive like blocking or something?
Waits data connection. Let's see also.
Okay.
Don't know.
Fantastic. It doesn't matter. Just go back. Yeah, and then we do now in here const header, comma.
Ah, right. We have to do size. No, this
Great.
was out. But this is.
Yeah, const connect, I guess. Const connect.
Connect. I think I
Const
successfully.
connect, bro. Const connect.
My bad. Chill. Jesus.
Const.
This guy with his const, am I right?
I would call that len, but sure, whatever. Yeah, fine.
I think successfully confused Hans. Okay.
Hans is easy to confuse. Right, so now we do try.
Okay. Try. And then we do the shared net command.
Yeah, I am read buff. I am also wondering because to know which kind of type we're going to read as the whatever request thingy, we also do the opcode first. So we're probably in the future gonna change this out so that read buff does not actually do the header, and then we have to read the header first separately. We can probably do it now, I guess, but so annoying.
Yes.
It sucks that you're using UDP because you don't have access to the normal reader and writer that easily. I mean, you can get them easily, but I don't know if you would like that.
No, I don't. I'm not familiar with the. I struggle a lot when it comes to the reader and writer still in Zig. I'm like, why can't I just use a normal Z read or write to file? It's so much easier.
Yeah, and uses so much many more syscalls, and it's so much more inefficient and uses so much more global state. Yeah, fantastic.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and then semicolon and then pass in the stuff, you know.
The buffer, and this was the ampersand buffer, right? And then
But keep in mind
Oh,
that
what?
you know,
The type? Wait, do
Type.
I just...
just passing the type.
Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna assume right now that it's the connect. And was that it? That was it. And then we can do
And
the...
then just print it.
So we can change it to say maybe header.
You can say, well, I guess header, yeah, sure.
And that's a U, and then connect.
Any.
Any? Okay.
Header is any.
Okay. And connect.
Header is any. Header is any.
I changed it to any. Chill, bro. Chill.
Header is any. Header
Size.
is any.
Chill. And then we will just do this, and we'll say...
Shouldn't you remove the from also?
I will remove the from in a bit. Don't worry about it. Or actually, I won't. Fuck you.
Okay, fantastic.
I don't use it. I just have it there.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see that.
Let's see how bad this goes. Oh, it's
It's gonna
already...
not even work.
It hot reloaded it, so... No, because it's using the old one, so it shouldn't hot reload that one. Yes, good.
It still won't work because you're trying to use the from in the thing.
So use the from?
You're in the print, the debug print. \n from at any.
Oh, my bad.
Bro,
I didn't see that.
remove the \n, bro. Oh my god, bro, it's gonna be so annoying now.
Okay, we can remove it. Boom. It's gone. Trust me. I'm just gonna say one more time just in case. And now if we connect the client, let's see what happens.
It's gonna crash.
Nothing.
And burn.
Nothing happens.
Are you flushing? In the client, or you like sending over anything?
Probably no, I'm not even sending anything over. That's right.
Yeah, you're just writing into
Yeah, yeah, I'm just writing to a buffer. There. So now we also need to do this thing, send.
Yep. Sure do.
And that's just... This is just sending the buffer, right?
Yeah, and the size. Slice.
It's not just size, yeah. Sus. And yeah. That should... Now it should be sending it. Yeah, it should be sent. Why is it not
Sure,
good?
it doesn't look like it.
Yeah, for real. Let's do a quick cd debug. No, log debug. And you know my favorite one, lolxd.
Yes.
And we need a little bit more. Ah, look at that. I don't know why it... Okay, but there it is.
Name, len, and
Yeah.
then your whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is everything.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Is it? Do you say it was worth having the marshal and unmarshal functions rather than doing some ugly mem copying?
Well,
Yes.
I think for this task, what we're doing right now, a memcopy would still be better.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have way more complex requests. In the
Yeah,
future.
yeah. In the future, yeah, I think the thing that you did today here is way better. Yes.
Yeah, we're still gonna have to like polish on things, and not gonna lie, I would just store a goddamn reader and writer, so we don't have to like make it inside of the read buff and write.
That is extremely unperformant.
No, it's not, but it's just really disgusting.
Unnecessary. Ah, okay.
Yeah, well, sort of.
And then if we exit this thing, it stops, and now we could also we could go in here to queue render docs. Oh wait, but I think it won't launch with the X or what is it, X11.
Oh, why not?
Because it cannot create because the old it's still hard coded. Right? Did wait.
Yeah, I did that at DLFW, by the way.
Yeah, but I mean, did you add so I can get this thing to that it knows which if I'm on X11 or Wayland? Did you add that?
No. I guess I had it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Because now it's gonna fail on
Yeah.
Wayland, but it should work now on this one. So if I now try to launch here, no? I'm pretty sure that should now work. Wait. Why wouldn't it work? Connection refused. Failed to connect. What? That's bullshit.
That's crazy, bro.
Because I tried to run it through X11, the connection also refuses. What the fuck? Client main 15. Connect IPs. That's crazy.
Okay, well, I think I'm gonna add the thing so you can figure out if it's Wayland or whatever.
Yeah, that would be nice. But at least it works on Wayland. We should also get it to work with the other one. But for now, that's fine. And this one should start sending. It's not sending. Interesting. This one is running, but it's not receiving anything. That's crazy. Why is it not?
That's crazy.
Because it is sending like crazy over here, but this one is just not receiving anything. What the fuck? It should be receiving. Let's close it and start it again. Nothing. Did I? Oh, it should be there. Ah, now on a hot reload it started receiving. I don't know, something is weird there. I need to look into that, but can someone explain the purpose of the unmarshal, please? Me and Hans are so confused. Like, why you should not just mem copy to T and you have the whole type?
No, because you no, guys, you don't understand. Okay, you know, I'll stream so you can.
Okay, Harold will stream now, I guess. So wait, let me take him. Oops. Yeah, we did some Picasso drawings here.
Yeah. Okay, yes, great. So you see a structure. Oh my god, a structure.
Omi is watching. Omni is watching.
Omi. Yeah, exactly. Right. So if I now have this like, we'll do it in C so that these nerds can understand, right? Actually, I don't like C.
No, I think they understand Zig. They understand Zig as well. Don't worry about it.
Okay, great. So we have this name len, for example, right? And then you know, what's that text? Yes, and this is an integer, right? Reading that is fine, but if we have a name, which is a slice, right? But what is a slice really? Well, it's just a pointer, right, to some memory. And I'm pretty sure that memcopy doesn't like the idea of it somehow knowing the length that is specified here to go in here, because this is gonna copy the memory as bytes, you know, right? Like if we have like another thing, if we have the actual data, right, we have like 0 0, and then the name here is like that. It's like you know, it's some random numbers. This one is impossible, but whatever. Yeah.
Now, 302, damn.
Yeah, I know.
That's a crazy U8 there.
We'll say that the name is Okay, we'll say that we're on a 32-bit machine or something, right? So now, let's say this here says, like Lucas 1. Yes, Lucas 1,
All right.
right? But this here is not gonna read that. It's gonna read, like, it's gonna read this here as the name len, right over here, and then it's gonna read this here, we'll say still 32 bits, right? So I don't have to draw a bunch of shit, right? Which is just the address, but I'm pretty sure we don't own this memory here, whatever this memory would be, right? Yeah, but there's still 2 bytes here. So what the unmarshal does is when it finds this name here, right, then it will go over here and it will look at what the value of nameland was, right? And then based on that, which is over here, then it's gonna figure out like, oh yeah, it's 6 or whatever, and it's gonna go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then it's gonna just copy the address of the slice over here. Yeah. So you see, you can't memcopy because it will just take it as an actual address. Yeah, thank you for my TED talk. I hope you enjoyed it.
Wait, so you have made an encoding format that replaces 6 slices with old C-style flexible arrays member style things. But isn't then the only special case in the slice struct and slice set? All else just mem copy. Yeah.
I mean, it's essentially what the reader is doing.
Yeah, it is. Well, like, yeah, like, as long as you don't use slices, that should be mem copy should be enough. If you just use a normal structure and not slices.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. Is it time, Harold?
I think it might be time.
Yes.
I was thinking about the 2.
All right, everybody. It's why is the size so... Yeah, anyways, we'll continue on tomorrow where we'll actually do something more with this. For now, we'll thank you, Harold, for the code, and yeah, good night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.